find it. It doesn't seem to be on any of these stations.
Keep looking.
Oh, you're going too slow. Let me take the wheel.
It's too fast. How could you even tell what's on?
I can tell.
There it is.
Back.
Too late. I'm in the 40s. Gotta go around the horn. Faster.
Wait. Stop.
I look for the giant chicken!
Now it's...
Happy birthday, Esteban!
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead in your mind.
Thankful ako dumating si Caleb kasi busy na si Mami. So hindi niya na ako masyadong inaaway.
Ito lang, puro kulukuhan.
Hindi kulukuhan. Kalunguhan pa yun. Makakarelate ng tatay sa akin.
Happy birthday, Caleb. Wish ko lang is sana lumaki kang katulad ko. Sobrang bait.
Wish ko lang is sana lumaki kang sobrang bait, sobrang talino, katulad na lang ng ninang mo na nasa harap.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the much-awaited birthday of the year. Let us all please welcome Mommy Teen, Daddy Brian, together with the baby star of today's celebration, Baby Caleb at 1.
I can see that this is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Happy birthday na. Mag 1 year old ka na. Yung 1 year na yun na lumipas, lagi na pinag-uusapan ni Mami mo na parang sobrang bilis. Tapos syempre alam naman ng lahat, ang daming pinagdaanan simula ng pinanganak ka, and gusto namin magpasalamat, thank God na ito, naging maayos yung lahat, naging okay ka, lumaki kang healthy, and sana magtuloy-tuloy, lumaki kang bait, responsableng bata at mapagmahal sa magulang, at especially may takot sa Diyos.
Happy first birthday, little man. Your first year had been a journey of discovery and growth and endless joy. May your life continue to be as delightful as your first year birthday.
This is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it, I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine.
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Good health lang. Laging makikinig kay Mami at Daddy. Ayun lang. I love you so much.
First of all, ang wish namin sa'yo is to become a strong man growing up, and it's okay to be vulnerable and it's part of life.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Andito lang kami lagi ni Daddy. Si Caleb kasi, siya yung happiness namin ng Daddy niya. Yan. Happiness din kita pagka magtula.